Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will go over various bookkeeping tools. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
In order to properly build a house, you need to have the right tools. The same is true with your financial records. In order to build your financial reputation, you need to be equipped with the right tools. Fortunately, there are a lot of programs that can help make bookkeeping much easier. Even if you aren't a bookkeeping professional, it's important that you use professional-level tools. In this lesson, we're going to look at a few of the top bookkeeping software options on the market. But first, let's consider what to look for when choosing the right software. There are 5 important factors you need to consider when choosing a bookkeeping software. 1. Business needs. Analyze your business. See how it operates. Primarily, your bookkeeping needs will depend on how much your business makes. Depending on your industry, you may want to choose a specialized software catered to your business niche. 2. Accounting skills. Using a bookkeeping software requires basic financial literacy. It's important that you know enough to navigate and perform tasks using the application you choose. 3. Cloud-based. With the rise of technology, a lot of applications are now cloud computing. In other words, they store, manage, and process data in a remote network of servers connected to the internet. These software programs are more fast, reliable, and efficient in storing data. More importantly, it's portable and can be accessed to any device. Make sure to choose one that is now cloud-based. 4. Budget. Software pricing varies greatly depending on your needs. General applications for generic use are available for free or offered at a very low price. On the other hand, premium services that are designed for specific needs tend to be more expensive than the rest. If you want an app to be customized to your business needs, then you have to avail the premium versions. 5. Add-on features. Software programs usually include helpful supplemental features. This may include remote connection, online payment, third-party app integration, tax services, and more. Be sure to look out for these add-on features. When choosing a bookkeeping software, you have to look for these key features: clean user interface, multi-user access, track expenses according to categories, external integration, bank reconciliation, tax management, view account payables and receivables, view balance sheets and other financial reports, create purchase orders, PO, and payroll management. Looking to find the right bookkeeping software for you? Here are some of the top applications that you can choose from. QuickBooks. QuickBooks, by Intuit, is the most widely used bookkeeping and accounting software. It's known for its compatibility and can be integrated with a wide variety of external systems from project management to marketing software. Its mobile app, photos of your receipts. QuickBooks pricing can cost anywhere between $25 and $150 per month, having 50% off for the first 3 months. Depending on your plan, your QuickBooks account can be managed by 1, 5, or even up to 25 people. This means you can easily share your books with your accountant, business partner, and other persons you trust. Wave. Wave is a free bookkeeping and accounting software that was designed specifically for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Wave includes the essential features of accounting, such as payrolls, payment, and invoicing. Though having limited capabilities, it's a great option if you're just starting out and on a tight budget. It has mobile invoicing, which allows you to create invoices on the go and receive instant notifications and reminders. Xero. Xero is another popular program and widely known as the rival of QuickBooks. They have the most basic features, and some find it challenging to use. However, this program is the best for those who have a growing startup and likes a minimalist user experience. However, you may need to switch to a more comprehensive program if your business grows larger. Xero is easy to get a hang of and great for those who have a limited accounting background. Depending on which plan you use, Xero can cost between $9 and $60 per month. Sage. Sage is a super easy to use software that has been known for its accessibility to business owners. Its user-friendly format allows you to forecast your cash flow, send and track invoices, control your inventory, and many more features. You can get support by using their 24/7 online service, as well as watching their provided online training. Sage has only 2 plans in the US, a $5 monthly plan for sole proprietors and micro businesses, and a $12 monthly plan for small businesses that supports unlimited users. If all this seems daunting, remember that you can always get advice from a bookkeeper without hiring them full-time. In fact, you can arrange for a bookkeeper to work with you during certain periods of the year, giving you practical advice, as well as asking for assistance on how to use the software you choose. For some, they arranged for a bookkeeper to check in once a month or every quarter to assess if things run smoothly, as well as answering questions that you have along the way.